Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add IDM extension in Opera browser. Let's begin. Now, if you haven't already, just click the download Opera GX to start your journey here in this wonderful browser. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, to add IDM or Internet Download Manager extension to the Opera browser, you'll need to follow a series of steps because IDM itself doesn't provide a direct extension of Opera. Instead, you can use a workaround involving the IDM integration module, which we are going to explore. But please remember that IDM is known for its ability to accelerate download speeds by splitting files into smaller segments, and downloading them simultaneously can be beneficial, especially for large files or slow connections, because IDM allows you to schedule downloads, which means you can set specific time for files to be downloaded, minimizing interruptions and optimizing bandwidth usage. Now, once you are here on the Opera browser, I need you to go to the... Now, I want you to go to the upper left corner where you can see the menu and click on extensions. All right, click on it. Now, after that, I need you to go to the website called Internet Download Manager. And from here, you simply need to download the IDM application. As you can see, it installs to stop waiting for your downloads. You will be truly amazed in how fast IDM downloads for your files. All right, we're going to use this as an extension to the Opera browser. I need you to click on it and just click the Download Internet Download Manager button here. All right, once you do that, what will happen is, once you have located the file, all I'm gonna do is drag this to the Opera browser extension. Now, once you drag the file, you would be able to use the IDM extension here on Opera browser without any problems. Remember that the thing is, IDM integrates with antivirus to scan downloaded files for malware, providing an additional layer of security, ensuring that your downloads are safe. And of course, IDM supports batch downloading. That means it will allow you to download multiple files simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful for downloading large numbers of files or media content. I usually use the IDM extension to my Opera browser to enhance my overall download experience by improving speed, management, and convenience. It provides me robust features and integration that can streamline downloading tasks and help users manage their files more effectively. I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.